Consonants digraph WH. A. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What is the color of milk? The color of milk is white. Question 2. Roti is made up of? Roti is made up of wheat flour. Question number 3. Which is the biggest animal? The biggest animal is the blue whale. Question number 4. A car has four wheels. Question 5. What do police carry? Police carry a whistle. B. Draw the pictures of wheel and whale in the given boxes.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.